Hey guys! Welcome back to another one of my video assignment for Universiti Sains Malaysia. I'm Kamshaleen, matrix number 149199, and this time-lapse video is for the subject REG 360, Industrialized Building System, also known as the IBS. For this subject, we were tasked to design a commercial plaza using the IBS system and then build a scaled model of the said design, and for my case, this building that you're looking at right now. Alright, let's get started. Setting up, I prepared an arm to keep my phone in place throughout my time-lapse video and make sure I have ample amount of space before laying out the materials I will be working with for this model. I have some modeling boards, slight opaque plastic sheets, craft paper, balsa wood in plank forms and sticks form. This is for the square columns, and then I'm using mostly modeling glue, the 3-second super glue, pen knife, steel ruler, pen markers for the windows, and additional aesthetic wise, I actually used the 3D printer for the signage. And that's about it for this 1:100 scale model building project. I started by cut tracing from a scaled 1:100 floor plans that I've printed in A3 size, before moving on to cutting walls and other elements that can be referred to from the elevation drawing. I simply followed the floor plans and quickly started pasting the walls onto the floor slab. The idea was to build this model level by level so I can see the repetitions in the model as well as building support for the overall structure. I wanted to create the windows in a minimalist and representative manner, so here you can see that I'm using pen markers to draw on the semi-opaque plastic sheets before pasting them on the pre-cut walls. I also did something similar with the doors by using craft paper to have a bit of contrast in materials while maintaining the minimalist theme. For the columns, I'm cutting up the balsa wood sticks into the desired length and directly pasting them onto the model. Before I continue to work on all the other levels, I've took the signage from the 3D file and scaled it down digitally to have it 3D printed out for the fun of it actually. So yeah, that's that. And while I'm waiting for the print, I continue to work through all the other levels and in a similar method. So oh yeah, and this right here is one of the toughest challenge in this project, building the skylight. After building the trusses and frankly a couple of trials and errors, I finally got it done. And I quickly get the other roof level elements done, and there, I'm finally ready to stack my levels together. To complete this model, I continue to work on the last two components that stretches across all the levels vertically. That's why I made this one of the last steps, you see. The curtain walls and the ACP panels, which is the aluminium composite panel, in which I use balsa planks and manually draw some lines as per shown. And yay, the 3D signage of the words Heyooo is done. So I spray coated it with a thin layer of green paint and carefully placed them on a leftover plastic sheet. And there you go, we're done. I personally had a lot of fun building this. It was very therapeutic, and hope you guys find this as relaxing as I did. And once again, thank you for watching. Cheers.